What do we got here? Sort my textbook. Help, Jason can't find his textbook. It is 2 days before the test date and Jason's textbooks are all out of order. Help him sort a list full of textbooks by subject so he can study before the test. Note, the sorting should not be case sensitive. What do we have to take into account? Well, sometimes you have to deal with case sensitive letters and sometimes you have to deal with special characters. Well, let's try the following. Return and then the built-in function sorted and then we can pass in the argument. Textbooks. This should work out for most of the test cases. It does, but not for this one. It first sorts the capital letters and then the lowercase letters. And it should just sort by alphabet. It should start with an A, then an E, then a G, and then H. Okay. Well, what do we have here? Sort list of strings ignoring upper and lower case. Exactly what we need. We are using the sorted function, this one. And apparently you can put in a second argument, key is string casefold. And that will sort the list, ignoring the uppercase and lowercase letters. Just in alphabetical order, what we need. So let's take this and test it out. And there we go, attempt. Hope this video has been useful. And I hope to see you in another video. Ciao.